Alright, we in Cleveland, Ohio. It's snowing. We're supposed to get 6 to 8 inches of snow. This is what it looked like on my way home. And I'm driving in the lack all-wheel drive, so I should be straight. But we gonna take it slow. Man, we ain't gonna take it too slow. We gonna drive this motherfucker. Y'all see my eyes through. Y'all see the vision through my eyes of me riding to the crib, and we gonna stop by the Amazon box to grab my package. And then we gonna go home. We gonna pass out and go to sleep. Big Jolly TV. Subscribe to the channel. Now listen, I got a Charger I usually drive when it's not snowing, but I'm glad I'm not driving it now, because I'll be slipping and sliding through this whole... I wouldn't even get on the freeway. It's not really that bad. It could be worse. So I'm going to still stop and grab my package. I would have got it delivered to my house, but there's been a lot of porch pirates. And today, I didn't have to spend a dime at the bar. One of my co-workers, I fuck with my co-workers, he said, Jolly, everything on me. I ain't had to leave a tip or nothing. And he got me some food. I fuck with people who fuck with me. I wish y'all could see how I look right now, but yeah. He said everything on me, man. Niggas, people know I spend money when I'm out, man. I like have a good time. I want everybody to be taken care of. And when the favor returned to me, man, I feel great. And they fucking doubled up on my child support. That shit crazy, yo. Don't understand it, man. I'm kind of pissed off about that, but whatever. Let me get over here in this lane. Some of these lanes look clearer than the other ones, but whatever. But yeah, the plow trucks haven't been through here much. But hey, that's why it's good to have 4x4 or all-wheel drive in the wintertime in Cleveland or any Midwest. I wouldn't even call myself Midwest. We more like East Coast. We not Midwest shit. Midwest, I think about South Dakota, Minnesota, and Iowa and shit like that. That's Midwest, man. We more like East Coast, man. Cleveland is just Cleveland, man. That's what it is. We get good days, we get bad days. It'd be 50 degrees one day and then be 10 degrees the next. So I kind of could take off in this vehicle. Wish I can get some ice off here. I really can't see. I can see enough to make it home, but it's not the best sight. Yeah. I ain't stopping for no gas. I got enough to get gas to get back and forth to work. We Gucci. I ain't gonna pass this car up because I'm in a truck. I'm about to get off the road in a few. I'm about to pass this car up. I think I can see my street. Yeah, I can see it. I ain't that blind. There's my streets covered with snow. But like I say, it's all-wheel drive, we good. That's why it's good to have a kind of truck like this when you're living in a place where there's snow. Man, I had to park on the damn street. Yeah, having fun in the snow, man. see if we can park at. Yeah, everybody got all the good spots. Oh man, yo, right here. All right, y'all, get home safe if you living in Cleveland, but I'm out. But that's how it is living in Cleveland, man. We get 100 degrees, 90, winter time. We actually get the 4 seasons, man. And that's how I rock, man. I want all 4 seasons. I don't want all hot weather, and I don't want all cold weather. I want all of it. So I'm gonna stop by. I got 2 items at this Amazon pod. They're gonna watch me go pick it up. I think I need a code for it, so just tag along with me tonight. Subscribe to the channel. I would make videos of me fucking with people, but I really don't get down like that. Like, I be watching this one dude, he come with 3 eggs, a piece of bread. I would like to buy these. Yeah, like he African. He say, you American? You speak English? He say, buka buda buda kara. And they be mad at the nigga, and he be trying to keep a cool face. And me, I don't like fucking with people, man. Like, that's not my persona, man. I'm like a real life dude. You know? I like to speak to people normal, not with no glasses on, try to make a statement because I got glasses on, man. I'm inside and outside the same way. But yeah, we about to get off the freeway. Hopefully this exit is kind of cleared off. Hopefully everybody make it home safe. Yeah, I ain't getting off right now. I gotta slow it up a little bit when I get up on 150. Let me slow down. I've seen many people go across this fucking straight U and they end up in a ditch. So when we get over this exit, we gonna slow it down to about 25. Best thing to do when you snowing like this, don't hit the brakes too much. I mean, if you gotta hit the brakes, tap on them bitches, don't slam on them. But me, I'ma just coast. I'm gonna coast around the bend, tap on the gas. We ain't in no rush. Most people when they're in a rush, they going 60. They hit this fucking turn. They say, oh shit, turn kind of sharp. And then they want to hit the brakes. Nah, man, we gonna slow roll it. And we gonna stop by this Amazon pod at Speedway. And we gonna grab our shit. And the snow is covered. As you can see through my lenses, everything covered with snow. And I think this is the right choice to just get on the freeway. The streets, man. I ain't got time to be fucking with the streets. That's why it's good to have 4x4 all-wheel drive. If you ain't got that, stay your ass at home. I mean, you could still drive a 4-wheel drive. But if you got rear-wheel drive, stay your ass at home, man. That's coming from the real. And we're going to pull up to this pod. I think I need a code to get my shit out of here. And then we're going to shoot to the house. And we're gonna lay it down flat. I got the code now. God damn it. Where's my shit at? See how easy that was? Had to find that code. Took me a minute. Alright. Let's roll. Now we about to head to the house. Still a blizzard out here, man. I'll be glad when I get home. I ain't on this shit tonight. Yeah, let's get home. It's Deadly Medley out here tonight, y'all. You ain't gotta be out, man. Take your ass home. That's on the real. I can't see shit. Yeah, we out here. Alright, I should have ran that light too. I'm not. Alright. It better stop. Man, the fuck? Do this shit. Man, I don't want to hold on, man. Let's go around this bend. I ain't gonna get stuck. Be kind of cool. It's like a little practice going through this snow. And it's good to have some good tires too, though. Alright.